Hey y'all, so I got it nice and clean, but I don't know if some women know this or men that you do not use Vaseline on the rubber. It can disintegrate it, okay? What I use is coconut oil, okay? I think before I put some on though, I'll do some, get that makeup off that I did put on earlier, just a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is take this, and I'm going to, see, I'm gonna rub right through here. You ever have those freezers you can't lift up? You're going, this will solve it. Now I don't want to re-dip, so I'm gonna get another part that's clean. It's good to have two jars, one for cooking and one for your body or house cars. Just a little bit, just enough to lubricate it, and then I'll show you in the car. Let me pause it. Now for my car, my Nissan, I'm going to put a little bit right here. That way when it freezes, and it gives a nice little shine, it'd be easier to open in the winter. Hope this helps somebody out there. See y'all later.